how to be the best kicker, part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, click on the link above, okay? If you're attempting to do these exercises, click on the link above. If not, then I'll give you guys a quick breakdown, which I'm already doing right now. Basically, in part 1, I do the kicks I'm doing right now, all kinds of kicks without snapping my knees. This way, I'm able to kick every day, even roundhouse kick, watch, kick every day for the next 7 days and not have knee wear and tear immediately with my first few kicks. But I do a variety of kicks, so if you guys want to see those, make sure you click on that link I put above, watch that video first, and if you're just watching for entertainment, then you basically already got the point. The last video, I basically did kicks with my legs straight in many different ways, even wheel kicks, axe kicks, spinning axe kicks, all kinds of kicks. You guys need to watch that video. So this is part 2, day 2. So what's gonna be different with day 2 versus day 1 is today the kicks I'm going to do are going to be all jump kicks, but not literally jumping this way. Instead, like the Karate Kid, all kinds of jump kicks where you're jumping off one leg and the other leg is coming down. Now, I'm going to do these kicks without snapping. I'm not gonna do too many. I'm going to do maybe 2 or 3 of each because I haven't trained in 2 weeks, as you guys would have seen in my last video. So I'm getting my legs back in shape because I was sick for 2 weeks. Okay, so here we go. First one. First one is like the karate kick, but different. I'm gonna bring my leg up like this here, like this here, and then I'm gonna go with the other leg straight up into an axe kick, all right? I'm gonna start with left. So from here, straight, keeping your leg straight the entire time. That's 3. Now with the other side. Everything I do with one side, I'll do with the other side. Okay, that's 3 and 3. Now, if you guys may have noticed, I went here and then went into out. Now I'm gonna do the opposite. Now from fighting stance, I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna go out to in, okay? So from here and then out to in, keeping my legs straight completely the entire time. 3. Now right leg. And 3. Okay, so next one is going to be with a spin added to it. So from fighting stance, I spin like a tornado kick, but instead of doing a tornado kick, you're doing axe kick. Keep your legs straight the entire time, although the spinning leg is gonna bend, but that doesn't count because we're not snapping, okay? So the kick itself is with the leg straight. Here we go. So you spin and axe kick. Go back into fighting stance. No stepping first, no telegraphing, you just spin. And axe kick. One more. Okay, switching sides. Spinning axe kick. Or tornado axe kick. That was 3. So, as you guys can imagine, these kicks give you an intense stretch in your hamstring because you're jumping, stretching, kicking, landing. Okay, so now I did all the basics. I went into out with the jump. out to in. Now I did spinning. You guys guess what's next? We're going to do a tornado roundhouse. And after that, we're doing a spinning kick, a jump spinning kick. So stick to the end, okay? The last one is the best one. Same kick, but now it's the actual roundhouse kick, keeping your legs straight. So what does that mean? I'll spin, 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 spin. Once I get here, bring on my leg like this, all the way straight in a roundhouse kick position, put my hips into it. Okay, one more time. 3 times on each side. Not counting that last one. Some of you asked me if you would kick like this in a real fight. Don't, because you could mess up your knees. This is purely for exercising speed purposes. I would never kick like this in a real fight. Keep that in mind. This is exercising to make my muscles faster. One more. Okay, right leg. Again, everything you do with one side, do it with the other side. Last one. Bow! Okay, next one. Next one's gonna be a spinning kick. How? Well, I'm gonna do it the way my master taught me to do it, okay? The basics of it. The way my master always did it, the way I seen him do it. I'm gonna do it like that, even though I wouldn't do it like that in a real fight. I'm only gonna do it like this because I'm a little out of shape right now. As you can see, I'm out of breath. That's what happens when you don't drink for 2 weeks. And normally I would do it from this position. But I'm gonna do the first few ones like this. So from this position, put my leg down, get some momentum from here, some momentum from here. I'll do the first ones with the telegraphing and the momentum, and I'll do the last ones without telegraphing, okay? Because I don't believe in telegraphing, but again, I'm getting my legs used to it again. So to avoid injury, I'm gonna do it the basic way. So from this position, put my leg down, swing my arms around, and it looks like this. One more, I'm not satisfied, I'm gonna do one more. One more. That's the one I wanted, okay. No, without holding. Without telegraphing, just one fighting stance. So that will be it for this video, guys. I could do more. I'll do one last one. Hook kick from here. Hook kick, keeping your legs straight. Why am I doing this? Because I just feel like I should after the last one I did. This wasn't planned. Now, very last one with the right. You can do this one going forward, but you can also do this one going backwards, depending on how you want to fake the person out. Watch. If I want to think I'm doing like a back kick or something, I'll go this way. Watch my legs. If I want them to think I'm doing a roundhouse kick or any kind of kick coming from this direction, I'll go with this leg here instead. Looks like this. Okay, well, woo. As always, I will finish my video, my training in the splits, regular splits, side splits to that direction, side that really hurts. Ah, hurt yourself while you stretch. Sensei Seth and Scott Atkins are full of S. Hurt yourself while you stretch or you won't progress. Woo! Yes, so as you can see, I'm out of breath because I'm out of shape. Again, 2 weeks no training because I was sick. Well, now I'm really sweating. I feel super hot, so I'll do some breathing exercises. Oh, yeah. So all the kicks you guys saw here are real high kicks. No tricks to it, real high kicks. They're not like, for example, Michael J. White's kicks, which if you guys want to see me expose Michael J. White's kicks and his amateur fighting ability, here's a playlist where I expose many videos Michael J. White's BS. Here's a video where I'm exposing, challenging, and roasting Rokas, the martial arts journey guy, and his bullshit. Here is a video of me out kicking movie stars, and YouTube thinks you might want to see this video. So the next video, guys. Whoa!